Hey everybody, I'm Beth with elliTek, the marketing manager, and I'm here today with Chris Klein, one of our elliTek's applications engineers. And Chris just recently got his certification he is now a Siemens certified general purpose drive specialist.
Yes.
Congratulations, Chris.
Thank you.
And he's going to show us a little bit about what he learned. So take it away, Chris.
So today I'll be presenting the Siemens G120 Variable Frequency Drive, or VFD. And so we'll go over what a VFD is, how the G120 operates, and we'll walk you through a real-world application that I just recently completed.
Sounds awesome. Let's get to it.
So what is a VFD? A VFD is an electronic device that controls the speed and torque of an electric motor by varying the voltage and frequency supplied to it. This allows for greater energy efficiency, smoother operation, and improved process control. The Siemens G120 is a modular VFD from Siemens designed for applications requiring precise motor control such as pumps, fans, conveyors, and industrial machinery. The main components of a G120 include a power module, which converts AC power to a variable output, a control unit here that processes commands and controls motor operation, and then we have either an HMI here, operator panel, or a software interface like TIA Portal that's used for programming, monitoring, and diagnostics. So what does the G120 do? The G120 provides precise control over electric motors, allowing for energy savings, reducing power consumption by adjusting motor speed to match demand, smooth start-stop operations, preventing mechanical stress and sudden power surges, fault protection and diagnostics, protecting the motor from overcurrent, overheating, and other faults, and integration with automation systems, communicating with PLCs using field bus protocols like Profibus and Profinet. Now let's move to a real-world demonstration where I configured and tested a G120 drive for a pump motor application. The objective was to configure the drive to control a pump motor running at 1200 RPM at night and 1500 RPM during the day, while operating in standalone mode with a 3-wire control. The key configurations included digital input assignments here. So we have on and off of the system, emergency stop switch, fault acknowledgement. Right here we can test the motor from forward and reverse direction. And then right here we can switch the RPMs for the day or night shift. Here I've used TIA Portal software to view real-time diagnostics and commission some of these digital inputs here. So now we can use these switches for forward operation. You can also view the motor and reverse operation. But because the customer stated that they wanted no reverse operation, we can come over here, change one little value, and just like that, you can test the operation and see that there's no negative operation there. So we'll just run through the whole thing here. So let's go ahead and turn on the master switch. And immediately this drive is going to go to 1500 RPM for the day shift. Now the shift is over and the nighttime comes in and we want to switch it to 1200. We'll flip the switch right here. So to summarize, the Siemens G120 VFD provides precise motor control, energy efficiency, and advanced fault diagnostics. Through this application test, I successfully configured a pump motor to operate in a standalone mode, implementing fault handling strategies, and validated the system's performance using real-time observations. Understanding how to configure and troubleshoot the G120 is essential for optimizing industrial motor applications, reducing downtime, and improving efficiency. Thank you.
Thanks, Chris. That was really enlightening. I appreciate the overview of the G120 VFD. And if you guys want to learn more about it, we'll have links in the description notes. And you can connect with Chris on LinkedIn, and then follow elliTek as well, and visit our website at ellitek.com. That's ELLITEK.com, or give us a call, 865-409-1555. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.